How to spot trade on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can spot trade on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, spot trading on Binance is a straightforward way of buying and selling cryptocurrencies at the current market price. And here is a simplified guide. Okay, so you open up Binance. Obviously you have to be in Binance Pro, so if you don't know how to switch, tap on this little option here, then go to Binance Pro. In my case, I'm already on Binance Pro. Go to trades, then you'll find spot trading there, so you can tap on spot. Now, first of all, what you have to do is fund your Binance wallet. You'll need funds in your Binance wallet to buy cryptocurrencies, and you can navigate to the spot trading interface. Now choose a trading pair, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy over here and versus what you want to sell it at, right? Now place a buy or sell order. There are order of two types. One is a market order, the other is a limit order. Market order gets filled immediately at the best available price, and limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Review and confirm your order. Double check the details of your order, such as price, amount, before placing it. Once your order is placed, Binance will try to match it with an existing order on the order book. If your order matches, the trade will be executed and the cryptocurrency will be credited to your Binance wallet. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.